What's up guys, hello everyone, welcome to another video on the Nasdaq Ghost Platinum EA Pro live testing. This is 48 hours so far, and let's go to my FX book account to check our results so far. Right, so I'm gonna quickly refresh this. Okay, so now we're up about 8%. Remember in the previous video we were up about 6%, right? You can watch that. I'm going to be dropping the link in the description. So we're up about 6% and now we're up about 8%, right? So in about 24 hours or so, you can see today we had a profit of 5%, and this week we had a profit of 8% in total, right? Because we started trading on Monday, right? So we've had 4 trades so far, 2 sell trades and 2 buy trades as well. So we are currently in a sell position of EURUSD. I'm going to go back to my terminal to show you guys that. So this is the Nasdaq Ghost EA Pro live. For those of us who are joining the playlists, it's a Nasdaq Ghost Platinum. We've done a strategy test. We've optimized it, and now we are looking at the live testing. Okay, so you can see we are up about 8% here, and we've made about $86. We started trading with $1,000 and we returned about $86 in profit. Okay, in under 24 hours. You can see our chart was updated about 3 hours ago. You can see our graph here, how it looks like. We've not had any losing trades yet. And let's go to our terminal to see how our trades went. Okay, so you can see in the previous video we had a sell trade here and a sell trade here as well. Okay, we had a sell trade here, we had a sell trade here as well. So, and on that same video we entered a buy order here, right? On that same video the bots entered a buy order here, right? So the bots took profits around this area here. Okay, took profits around this area here. We entered a sell order here, and the bot also took profits around this area here as well. Okay, I'm just going to quickly plot a line graph here to make you guys understand this better. Okay, so you can see how chart is. Okay, so it took a sell trade here, it took a buy trade here rather, and stopped out here. It took a sell trade here and stopped out here as well. Okay, because it was trailing to target this point here. Okay, so it took out profits here, and we just entered another sell trade here as well. Okay, so I don't know how this is gonna go. I'm not gonna say how this is gonna go, but let's see how it goes, guys. Let's see how it goes. We've returned about 8% in less than 48 hours or 48 hours or so. So you can see that this EA actually works. It's you can use it for FTMO accounts. You can use it to trade for firms as well. And for those of us who are starting with automated trading, you can also use it as well to learn how to sell when the market is overbought and buy when the market is oversold. Okay, so you can see that's exactly what the expert advisor does. Okay, we buy at such points in the market. So we just took a sell trade here right now. I don't know how it's gonna go so far, but let's see how it goes, guys. Let's see how it goes, guys. Of course, this looks like a strong reversal here. Okay, looks like a strong reversal here, right? And the next target is around this area. Okay, so looks like a strong reversal, but let's see what happens. Let's see what happens, guys. I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. Bye for now.